In this video for Energy Up Solar, I'm going to discuss why solar matters. Look, most people go solar because they want to save money, and solar does help people save money, but there are more benefits to solar. Our power grid needs solar. Our future energy supply needs solar. We can reduce our carbon footprint with solar. It's more affordable with solar, and it gives you control of your future energy costs, all with solar. The U.S. power grid consists of only 3 interconnections. And as we saw in Texas in 2021, where they had the power crisis, this is problematic. 3 power grids for over 300 million people. When your energy provider sends you energy, it must go through this congested and old and outdated power grid. When you go solar, it goes from the sun to your roof and to your home. The power grid gets relief, and that's how we prevent future grid outages. Solar is such a no-brainer because it basically frees up the grid in a way that utility power can't. Let's talk about demand. The demand for energy keeps growing, and with the expansion of electric vehicles and a growing population, energy demand will be tough to meet. Renewable energy sources are the best solution to meet this spiking demand. Reducing our carbon footprint matters, and this could be a controversial subject, but the reality is when we use renewable energy, we are doing our part to ensure the health of our planet. Our grandkids will thank us. It's more affordable. Most people go solar to save money, and going solar will save you money, and in some cases tens of thousands of dollars, but in every case it's saving you money. You have control over the cost of solar while you don't have control over utility costs. So when you go solar, you're paying for a power plant that's going to energize your home, and now you have control of that cost. You don't have to worry about rate increases or changes the way that you do when you're with the utility provider. So solar, yes, it's good for the grid. It's good for a future energy supply. It's good for the planet. It's good for your bank account. And it gives you control of your future energy costs. It is a no-brainer. If you own your home and you have a roof space and you could put solar up there, there's no good reason not to go solar. You're helping to solve major energy problems and saving money at the same time. Why would you pay more money not to help solve these problems? This is why solar is such a no-brainer, and this is why solar matters. It's not just about saving money, it's about doing the right thing and saving money.